What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Galaxis token. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, October 3rd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Galaxis token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Galaxis is a no-code community monetization and engagement platform. This token here is on the Ethereum blockchain. It's an ERC20 token. You can find it on Etherscan. Name of the token is Galaxis, and that is also the ticker symbol. 757 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token. They have an on-chain market cap of over $14.1 million and a circulating supply market cap of over $611,000. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed October 3rd, 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section and search Galaxis, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, the Galaxis token, has a Telegram that you could follow at GalaxisOfficial/1. And there's over 10,300 Telegram members on there. Over 420 of them are online right now. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. Talk to other community members, see what they think about the project, ask questions, that type of thing. And they have a Twitter. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here. And now this token here that has a link to their Discord right there on their Twitter and their webpage. And if you go over to their webpage, you're going to find a full white paper as well. They have 88,300 Twitter followers, over 4,700 tweets, a blue verified checkmark at Galaxis XYZ on Twitter. Now it says the problem is communities held hostage. Currently, centralized platforms have unreasonable power over creators and communities, not because of the services they provide, but because they hold the communities hostage. If a creator gets deplatformed, they lose access to their own community. Web 2 platforms offer really useful services. They excel in aggregating and distributing information. They excel in scaling. When a creator chooses a Web 2 community management platform, they are looking for those attributes, but they pay a much higher price than the 30% fee that the platform imposes on them. The price is that they are not building their own communities, they are building a community for the platform. So instead, it says enter Galaxis, the community ownership platform. Galaxis fixes this, allowing creators to create unstoppable communities and separating membership In a community from communication channels, we call Galaxis communities unstoppable because after they are created, no third party can shut them down. Seriously, not even us, not even Galaxis. This is achieved by the use of Web3 technologies, a decentralized modular architecture, microservices, and Galaxis engines. With Galaxis, the structure is much more clear. So the creator and the community is directly and inseparably connected. The Web2 communication platforms become much easier to replace. They don't have control over their community any longer, and they get paid for the service provided, and they should. Now, Galaxis gives the community creator and the community full ownership over connection, value, and support. The community creator can always reach the community members regardless of the other platforms that they are using. This is achieved by the assurance of the community membership cards. The cards are digital objects, technically hyper-utilized NFTs. The assurance and utilization is controlled by the community creator, and the cards are owned by the community members. Now, this creates an unbreakable bond between them. The community creator can always give value to the community members, regardless of what other channels they are using. This can be done in many ways. Number one, via the membership cards. The community creator can directly give badges that can carry value, access, privileges, ownership of digital and physical items, perks, and utilities. The cards can carry all of these and provide value to the owners. Via the vaults is number two. The community creator can use the vaults to sell and distribute items to the community members. And number three, via engagements and gamification. Sticker books and other built-in engagement methods provide value to community members. So the community members can support the creator no matter what via the built-in community economy. The members can support the community creator by traditional means like monthly subscriptions, but also by purchasing items from vaults and by royalties on the secondary markets. All of these are deployed to each community separately and owned by the community creator and the community. So the Galaxis platform consists of the following major parts: mission control, membership cards, and community space. So the mission control is the admin interface that can deploy the different modules to the two user-facing interfaces, the membership cards and the community space. Now you can learn more about all the stuff I just mentioned by going to their webpage, galaxis.xyz. And if you want to learn even more, check out the socials and the full white paper that's available on there as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, check out the referral codes if you want to help support the channel. You can become a member, hit that join button. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.